In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use online payments in FreshBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to connect a payment processor so your clients can pay invoices quickly and securely. First, open FreshBooks in your browser and log into your account. If you manage multiple businesses or firms within FreshBooks, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. For a smooth setup, it helps to sign in with an owner or admin level login, and if you use two-factor authentication, have your device handy so you can breeze through the security prompt. Once you're in, look to the left side navigation and click Payments. This is your central hub for everything related to getting paid. From here, you'll be able to see payment activity and access the settings that control how clients can pay you online. If you've never connected a payment method before, don't worry, this is exactly where you'll do it. Near the top of the Payments page, click the More Actions menu. This menu holds the setup and management options that aren't always visible at first glance. And it's where FreshBooks groups tools you'll use to enable and manage payment methods. From the More Actions menu, choose Accept Online Payments. FreshBooks will guide you through linking an online payment provider. Depending on your region, you may see options like FreshBooks Payments, powered by a third-party processor, credit and debit cards, bank transfers, or services such as PayPal. Pick the option that best matches how your clients prefer to pay and what works for your business. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your account. You'll typically be asked for basic business details, the bank account where you want payouts deposited, and your preferred currency. Many providers also let you toggle which payment types you accept, such as credit cards or bank transfers. Take a moment to review processing fees and payout schedules so there are no surprises later. If you work with international clients, double-check supported countries and currencies to avoid declined payments. When the connection is complete, you'll see the payment method listed as active in your payments area. From this point on, clients who receive your invoices will see a Pay Now button with the methods you enabled. Payments recorded through your linked provider sync back to FreshBooks, helping keep your books tidy and speeding up reconciliation. If you don't see the Accept Online Payments option, make sure your account type and region support online payments and that you have the right permissions. And if a connection attempt fails, recheck your banking details and any verification prompts from your provider. That's it, your FreshBooks account is now set to accept online payments, making it easier for clients to pay and for you to get paid faster.